Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to restore developer features, developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings icon. Right now let's scroll down in order to find and select the system. From the following menu, let's choose developer options, and here you've got the list of developer features. If you would like to restore all developer settings to the default state, let's use this button, restore default settings, right here. Let's tap it, and if you would like to restore all default settings in developer options section, let's tap OK. And that's it, everything went well. You just restored the default settings, so everything works just fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.